Hi, welcome back to our series Stop the Inflammation Pandemic Inflammation in the Male Reproductive System. I'm Angela, Holistic Medical Herbalist. In our last episode, we explored how inflammation in the smooth muscle lining of the female reproductive system can lead to hormonal imbalances, PCOS, endometriosis, and fertility issues, and how herbal medicine can support deep healing and restoration. Now, let's turn our attention to the male reproductive system. Just like in women, the male reproductive organs, including the testis, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, and prostate, are lined with smooth muscle tissue and mucous membranes. These linings are sensitive and play vital roles in fertility, hormonal regulation, and immune defense. When irritation occurs from infections, injuries, chronic stress, or autoimmune reactions, or latent viruses like herpes, the immune system is triggered. If this immune response becomes chronic, it can lead to inflammation in the smooth muscle lining, which often results in erectile dysfunction, reduced sperm count or motility, testicular or prostate inflammation, pain after sexual activity, infertility, etc. Why chronic inflammation matters? Some viruses, such as herpes virus, remain dormant in the body for life. When the immune system is strong, they stay hidden, but under stress, they resurface and attack our tissues, causing recurring inflammation and tissue sensitivity. That's why maintaining a healthy internal defense system is critical. Think of it as our body's internal army, always on patrol, ready to neutralize threats before they can do damage. Let's look at some case histories to understand this better. A man in his 40s came to see me after sperm analysis revealed no sperm present, only spermatozoa fragments. He had long-term colitis and had been taking prednisolone for flare-ups. During flare-ups, his diet became highly restrictive, mainly refined carbs, very little fruit or veg, and almost no protein. He wasn't nourishing the body enough to produce sperm, and his gut inflammation was spreading to the reproductive system. My treatment plan included herbs to heal and strengthen the smooth muscle lining, formulas to naturally boost testosterone and sperm production, anti-inflammatory, mucosal healing herbs, nutrient-dense smoothies and soups to avoid irritating the gut, and high-quality multivitamin and mineral to fill nutritional gaps. The result, after 5 months of treatment, his wife fell pregnant. He continued the protocol for another 6 months to fully heal his colitis. Today, he is a proud father of 2, no longer needs medication, and takes Marshmallow Root Plus as occasional support when he eats spicy or rich food. So what's the takeaway? When the body is in survival mode, it will prioritize healing, not reproduction. But when inflammation is reduced and nutrition is restored, fertility naturally improves. Another case history, a 28-year-old man came to my clinic experiencing pain, blisters, and irritation after sexual activity. The discomfort would last a week and it severely impacted his relationship. He's been suffering from herpes outbreaks since the age of 18. Initially, once or twice a year, but now any friction triggered symptoms. So what's changed? Ongoing stress and anxiety had weakened his immunity. This created chronic inflammation in the smooth muscle lining, making it hypersensitive. Every time he experienced even a mild friction, it triggered a flare-up. So the healing plan included herbs to strengthen the immune and adrenal systems, deep inflammation reducing support, and moisturizing herbs to restore the mucosal lining and integrity. After 6 months of consistent herbal care, he remained symptom-free for 2 months and felt joyful, confident, and back in control of his life. So what's the takeaway? When we support the immune system and calm the nervous system, the body can prevent reactivation of dormant viruses and heal inflamed tissue. The male reproductive system, like every part of the body, is deeply affected by the health of the smooth muscle lining and the immune system. Chronic inflammation, whether caused by infection, stress, nutrient deficiency, or dormant viruses, can severely impact male fertility, libido, and overall reproductive function. But here's the good news. When we address the root cause, reduce inflammation, strengthen immunity, restore nutrient level, and repair mucosal lining, the body has an incredible ability to heal. Whether you are struggling with infertility, herpes flare ups, or reproductive discomfort, remember the body does not prioritize reproduction when it's in survival mode. But when it feels nourished, supported, and safe, it opens the door to creation and renewal. For men preparing for fatherhood, here's what I recommend as a foundational protocol. Gokshura and Ashwagandha Plus supports natural testosterone production, improves sperm quality, shape, motility, and count, enhances mood, libido, and vitality. Marshmallow Root Plus heals and soothes the smooth muscle lining, reduces inflammation in the reproductive and digestive tracts, and maintain mucosal moisture for long-term tissue resilience. These formulations, when combined with a nutrient-dense whole food diet, hydrating and colorful fruits and vegetables, stress reduction practices, and a balanced emotional and mental state, create the ideal internal environment to support healthy sperm fertility and the foundation for a healthy pregnancy. Give your body at least 3 months before conception. This is the full cycle for sperm development. Investing in your health now supports not just conception but the long-term health of your future child. Our healer is within us. When we provide the body with the right tools, the healing unfolds naturally. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll explore inflammation of the surface nervous system, its manifestations in the body, and how we can reverse and heal it with holistic herbal care. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.